Hello guys, today I will be talking about uh, running in or break in time period of your bike. Well, this is the most important time period of your bike which decides how your bike will be going to perform in the future. So the proper break-in operation allows the machined surface to polish each other and made smoothly. So you should run in or break in your bike very proper for extracting maximum performance and mileage and everything from your bike. Well, as of now, I am riding Gixxer SF, so my all info will be about Gixxer or Gixxer SF. So, the first thing you should be knowing is maximum throttling recommendation. So, for Gixxer or Gixxer SF, फर्स्ट 800 kilometers और कोई जगह नहीं मिला आंटी को सॉरी आई वाज सेइंग द फर्स्ट 800 kilometers you should keep your bike under 4500 rpm and after that after 800 kilometers and first service up to 1600 kilometers you should not cross 7000 mark of your rpm. So first 800 4.5 thousand rpm and up to 1600 kilometers 7000 rpm, and after 1600 kilometers you can rev your bike freely up to 9.5 thousand rpm, which is the limit of Gixxer or Gixxer SF. And this was info about maximum throttling opening recommendation. So the next point is varying the engine speed. The engine speed should be varied and not held at a constant speed. This allows the parts to be loaded with pressure and then unloaded, allowing the parts to cool. This aids the mating process of the parts. It is essential that some stress be placed on the engine components during break-in to ensure this mating process. But do not apply excessive load on the engine. Now, next point is avoid constant low speed. Operating the engine at constant low speed or light load can cause parts to glaze and not seat in. Allow the engine to accelerate freely through the gears without exceeding the recommended maximum limit. So this was info about Gixxer or Gixxer SF. If you are riding any other bike, please go through the owner's manual. Everything is written there. Do not listen to anyone, any uncle, any service center guy, any mechanic. Just go through the owner's manual, which will give you the correct information, and you can run in or break in your bike very clear and very efficiently according to what manufacturers recommend you to do so. So please go through the owner's manual. Signing off, this was Ravi Utkarsh talking about running in or breaking in time period of your bike. Thanks for watching.